Hello and welcome back, my dear students. I'm back again with another video with the topic The Land of Snow, Greenland from your Social Studies book. In this video, I have tried to complete and figure out all the fill in the blanks from the chapter which could help you in your upcoming exam. I hope you liked my previous videos of the other topics. In this chapter, I have tried to cover up the subtopics like location, wildlife, life of the region, climate and vegetation, and economic activities of the people of Greenland. So my dear kids, let's get started. I would request you please go with the video at least 2 times so to understand the chapter in a better manner. So my dear students, let's move on with the video. Number 1. The polar regions are the dash places on earth. The answer is coldest places on earth. Why? Because the polar regions are situated at the extreme top and bottom of the earth. Number 2. The two main polar regions in the world are the dash and the dash. The answer is Arctic and the Antarctic. Number 3. The Arctic tundra is found at the dash pole and the Antarctic is found at the dash pole. We all know that Arctic tundra is situated at the North Pole and the Antarctic is situated at the South Pole. Number 4. The dash region extends from the North Pole to the Arctic Circle. The answer is the Arctic region extends from the North Pole to the Arctic Circle. Number 5. The dash region extends from the South Pole to the Antarctic Circle. My dear students, I hope you have guessed the correct answer. The answer is the Antarctic region extends from the South Pole to the Antarctic Circle. Number 6. Located between the Arctic and the North Atlantic Ocean, dash is a part of Denmark. The answer is Greenland. Greenland is a part of Denmark. Number 7. Greenland is separated from North America by the dash and the dash. The answer is Baffin Bay and the Davis Strait. Number 8. Dash are a prominent feature of the polar region. We can see icebergs only at the polar region. So, they are the prominent feature of the polar region. Number 9. Greenland covers an area of about dash lakh square kilometers and average thickness of ice is about dash meters. We know Greenland covers an area of about 21.5 lakh square kilometers and the average thickness of ice is about 1500 meters. Number 10. Dash are large chunks of ice that breaks off from glaciers. The answer is icebergs are large chunks of ice that break off from glaciers. Number 11. Icebergs that float in the ocean are made of frozen dash water, not salt water. My dear students, please remember that icebergs are made of frozen fresh water and not of salt water. Number 12. The temperature in Greenland remains below dash degree the whole year. The answer is 0 degree the whole year. That means the water is always in the ice form or frozen form the whole year. Number 13. In dash, the sun never sets in the region above the Arctic Circle. My dear students, you would be surprised to know that in summers, the sun never sets in the region above the Arctic Circle. Number 14. Greenland is also known as the dash. The answer is Greenland is also known as the land of midnight sun. Number 15. About -% of Greenland is completely covered with ice. The answer is about 80% of Greenland is completely covered with ice. Isn't it very interesting, my dear students? The only plants which grow in summers are mosses, lichens, blueberries, grasses and cranberries. That means there is the growth of plants only in the summer in Greenland. Number 17. Animals have thick layer of fat, dash and dash which provide them warmth in the chilly cold climate. You would be surprised that the animals living in Greenland have adopted to this harsh environment and they have thick layer of fat, long hair and thick fur which provides them warmth in the chilly cold climate. Number 18. Most animals dash in the winter season to protect themselves from harsh weather. The answer is hibernate. Hibernate means sleeping during the winters. That means they become inactive or get into the dormant state in this harsh cold weather. Number 19. Wolf-like dogs called dash are used for hunting and to pull sledges. The answer is huskies, which are looking like wolf-like dogs. They are used for hunting and to pull sledges. Number 20. Eskimos for hunting purpose use a dash, that is a small boat made from the skin of walrus or seal. The answer is kayak. It is a small boat or a canoe shape which is made from the skin of walrus or seal and stretched over a wooden frame. Number 21. The people of Greenland hunt seals, walruses, polar bears and whales with harpoons. Harpoon is a barbed spear attached to a rope thrown by hand to catch sea creatures. Number 22. The Eskimos for hunting larger animals use a bigger boats called umiak. Number 23. The dash has a hood on the top to cover the head. The answer is parka. Parka has a hood on the top to cover the head. Number 24. The dash, also called the Eskimos, are the inhabitants of Greenland. The answer is Inuits. The Inuits are also called the Eskimos, are the inhabitants of Greenland. That means they are the natives of Greenland. Number 25. The languages spoken by the people in Greenland are Greenlandic, Danish and English. Number 26. Men, women and children wear warm jackets called parka. Number 27. The main occupation of the people of Greenland are fishing, hunting and mining. Number 28. The Eskimos living in extreme north build houses made of snow called igloo. Number 29. The floor of the igloo is covered with animal fur and skin. Number 30. In dash season, the Eskimos live in houses called dash or skin tents. The answer is in summer season, the Eskimos live in houses called topigs or skin tents. Number 31. In modern times, the people of Greenland use motorbikes and rifles for hunting animals. Number 32. The capital of Greenland is Nuuk, or in olden times known as Gotha. Number 33. Dash is the oldest and the biggest city of Greenland with a population of about just 18,000. The answer is Nuuk. Nuuk is the oldest and the biggest city of Greenland with a population of about just 18,000. Number 34, Holstenborg is a town in central western Greenland located on the coast of Davis Strait. The answer is Sisimiut. Sisimiut is a town in central western Greenland on the coast of Davis Strait. It is the administrative center and the second largest town in Greenland and also has a large shipyard. So my dear kids, thanks for watching and keep learning. And if you have enjoyed the video, do hit a like, share with your known ones and subscribe to my channel for more updates on social studies.